Look at guys, ang daming green beans. Kaka-harvest ko lang nung last Friday. Tingnan nyo guys, ang dami na naman. Ayun. Ang sarap mamitas ng green beans. Madali lang mag-ano kasi hindi nahahanapin. Kusa lang siyang nagkumbitay guys, nagkumbitay. See what I was meaning? It's good when it's in the tree list because it will just hang. Yan, it's easy to see. There's a bug.